Hello friends, it's me 3B. I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you some facts. Whenever we are in frustration, we'll bang our head against wall. Do you know what will happen if you do that? We'll lose 150 calories an hour. So keep calm and don't bang your head against wall. The top 6 foods that make you fart are milk, bell peppers, cabbage, cauliflower and beans. Heart attacks are more likely to happen on Monday. Have you seen the random 5 digits number on train coaches? Do you know what these numbers mean on train coaches? The first 2 digits signify the year of the production. The number above picture 98337 signifies that it is the 337. Refer the last 3 digits. Coach built in the year of 1998 refers the first 2 digits. But these numbers never apply to Rajdhani Express. So in future, if you find this number on coach, just have a glance at the coach numbers. Hashimoto gives 50% of his match fee as penalty because of not sticking the Castle Ranger tag on his jersey, as he does not wish to endorse any alcohol product. The largest cave in the world is in Vietnam and is so big that it has own river, jungle and climate. The Queen cannot be arrested in the UK even if she commits a crime. The 3 wise monkeys have names: Iwazaru, speak no evil; Mizaru, see no evil; and Kikazaru, hear no evil. Chewing gum has been proven to increase a person's focus and improve their mood, while decreasing anxiety and stress. Tsutomu Yamaguchi was a man living in Nagasaki and was on a work trip to Hiroshima. On the day the bomb fell, he got caught by the atomic bomb explosion. Miraculously, he survived and returned home. He then went back to his hometown Nagasaki and got caught in a second atomic bomb explosion and survived that too. Major countries like USA and Canada, airbags in all cars are mandatory. Without airbag in car, company cannot launch their car in market. But in India, airbags are called extra premium features and customers have to pay extra to get airbags. Who is responsible for our society? Please do share this. Hope you like it.